Let me join my colleagues in extending my condolences and those of the entire Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition, PG, to the immediate family, friends, and relatives of the late General Francis Omondi Ogolla. Honorable Speaker, it was unfortunate that I was unable to attend the funeral of the fallen general due to unavoidable circumstances. All the same, General Ogolla was someone known to me personally. And for the time I interacted with him, he came out clearly as a person who was down to earth. That's really one thing I can say about General Ogolla. He was down to earth. It is a virtue perhaps we may want to emulate. It's a virtue we may really wish to inculcate as leaders, especially members of parliament. That positions, power, influence, prestige, doesn't really matter. What matters is how you relate with the fellow human beings, and more importantly, how you relate with your Creator, the Almighty God. Let me also say this, that as we mourn General Ogolla, we must also not forget to mourn his 9 colleagues, fallen colleagues. As a matter of fact, Honorable Speaker, one of the fallen colleagues of General Ogolla, that is Major General Benson Magondu, was married to my own constituent, Captain Brenda Okello. And for me, therefore, as a constituency of Ugunja, we have terrible loss. We have incurred terrible loss, and we only pray to Almighty God to rest their souls in eternal peace. But we must also insist in unearthing the root cause of that accident. We owe it to these fallen soldiers. We owe it not only to the fallen soldiers, but also their families and Kenyans generally, that we do whatever it takes to establish what caused their deaths. Honorable Speaker, I am told it is not a normal occurrence for generals to just die like that. My friend Bashir here can tell you. Generals don't just die like that. And therefore, this country needs to be told what or who killed General Ogolla and his colleagues. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.